Had a question pertaining hand sanitizer. He said if the hand sanitizer contains alcohol, and basically every hand sanitizer will contain alcohol, is it permissible? I say, and Allah knows best, yes, it is permissible, because the alcohol which is used here is used as a topical application, as a sanitizer. It is not used for drinking, so it is not intoxicant. And by the way, the chemical structure for this is different than the alcohol that is intended for drinking. So most of the scholars said the alcohol is not impure, is not najis. So if the person uses alcohol for as a disinfectant, for cleaning up wounds, injuries, and hand sanitizer, or even in perfumes, as we discussed before, most of the scholars say that it is not najis. The najasa is spiritual, not physical, which if somebody held alcohol or a bottle of alcohol, he doesn't have to make wudu. And this is where the difference of opinions come from, because there are some scholars, particularly in the Maliki madhab, who consider the alcohol as impure even physically, not only spiritually or morally. So they say if you come in direct contact with alcohol, you have to wash it off in order to be able to pray. But according to the majority of the scholars, it is not impure, and accordingly you can use a hand sanitizer which contains alcohol, especially with a small percentage. Wallahu a'lam.